Hey folks, and welcome back to the mountain.
I'm Joey.
I'm Tony from Gagman's Mountain Homestead over here.
Hey.
You look behind us, we got chickies back there. Today is chicken moving day. They'll be moving from the garage out to the tractors, which are out in the side yard. We'll show you them in just a second. But first, let's load up some chickens. Okay, chickies, let's go.
Chicken moving day, babies. Hey.
I have 2.
4.
6. 8.
Sliding. No, guys, come on. Come on. Y'all going this way. Come on. No, this baby is so tiny.
I know.
Really?
Grab them and another one and we'll show them. So we have this little one here, which is like the size of the week-old ones. We don't know what's going on. It's just a little tiny, but he's got all the feathers. So maybe be a Cornish game hen.
Go.
Just do 14 and go.
Yeah. 14.
Alright, now we'll bring these to each tractor is getting 25 birds. We have 50 left. Go Joey, go Joey, go Joey. It's not your birthday. It's chicken moving day. Go Joey, go Joey. It's chicken moving day.
I think they're a little stressed out.
Well, yeah, of course they are. Ain't nobody here but us chickens. And there's the tractors. This is our 3rd year using these. We put new tarps on them this year. Oh look, in the window. It's Molly and Mandy. We put new tarps on them this year. We just buy cheap tarps. These are like $3.99 a piece. 8x10 tarps. Now the birds get loaded up in there. I usually just dump them out. We'll see how Joey does it. Oh, she's gonna just dump them out. Okay. There they go.
Go on. Go on. Out you go. Out you go. Bye. Yeah, you gotta go that way.
So there's 14 birds. And we'll put another 11 in there.
Oh, that was stupid.
And pull the nail. Takes us a little bit to remember how these things work, huh?
Yeah.
Very simple design. I get a link to my design. I'll have to put that on there somewhere. And there you go. 11 more coming this way. Alright, here's the final 11 for this tractor. Come on, chickies. That's how I do it. Come on, get in there. Alright. Oh, one's finding the food right now.
Oh, yeah.
He's looking at it.
Once they figure that out.
As soon as one finds the food, they all find the food. It just takes them a couple minutes, but once they find it, they'll be all in that pan back there. Okay, here's the second tractor getting full.
Ready?
I told Joey just, dump them out.
You go. Go that way. Go that way.
You can see in this tractor over there, they found the food.
You're okay.
And some of them are just sunning themselves. This is the first time they splashed you. This is the first time these chickens have been in the sun. It's the first time they've been outside. So, here we go. This is the last of them going in. Yeah, they haven't found the food yet in this one. They will. As soon as one does, they all do. You can see over here, they're all in the food.
Oh, they're checking it out. They're just stressed right now. They'll figure it out.
All right, there we go. 50 meat birds are now in the tractors.
Sunshine, grass, and bugs.
They'll be here for the next 5 weeks. And then it's processing day. All right, let's get cleaned up. So we drill a hole in the beam. And we'll put our hook in there, or eyelet. That's what the screwdriver's for. Okay. Now we gotta put some rope through. So Joey asked if you bet you're wondering what we're doing. Now she's gonna explain it to you.
So we are setting up a sling to make goat hoof trimming easier. Lots of people have told us this works great. It makes it so much simpler. They have not too much fight in them when they're hanging, so we're gonna give this a try.
So we're gonna hang our goats?
We're gonna hang our goats. Who's
Come
the
on.
first one?
Come on, Diana.
out, Diana.
Come on.
Hi. Come here. Come here, girl. Come on. Over here. Come here. Come here. Come here, girl.
Like that. Okay.
Look, come here. Come here.
Lift her. There you go. Are you lifting?
I'm lifting. It's okay. You're okay. We gotcha.
Alright, that's the height you said you wanted.
All right, girl. You ready? Huh? What is this? Wow.
No fight at all.
No.
Oh, should we milk this way?
No, I don't think we could get in there too well. Oh. It's okay. Diana, easy, easy. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're good. You're good. You are. You're good. Easy, girl. Easy. We gotta get your hooves trimmed. Okay, almost done. Almost done. Yeah. Get the last one. Much better.
Ready?
Ready.
You're up.
Yep.
Lift her up.
Got it.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Hold on, Diana.
And then this, look, just like the dogs.
Hey, Diana. Here you go. Good. All right.
Next victim.
Hold on.
Here. Right?
Yeah. That's better.
You ready to lift?
I'm ready to lift.
Ready?
Yep. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, Gina. All right, Gina.
Alright, where did I put the clippers?
All right, it's okay.
She good?
Gina, you're good, honey. You're good. Yeah.
Help me.
We're gonna fix you. Fix you. Okay. Well, okay. Good girl. All right. Hold
Ready?
on. Hold on, girl. And
Lifter?
go.
More. Okay.
Okay. Alright. Hold on. Gina. Alright, girl. Come on. Come on, Gina.
Gina!
Come on, Gina. Come on. This way. Come on. Come this way. Gina, come this way. Out you go. Out you go. Out you go. There you go. Come on. All done. Good girl. Alright. Now it's time for you, Missy. Yeah. I didn't want you to feel left out. Come on, Nubia. Come on out. I'm submitting like Maya. Good girl. Alright, Nubia.
Ready?
Ready? Okay, girl, hold on. Hey, Nubia, hold on.
I got her. She's not going anywhere.
Hold on.
Ready?
Okay.
Come on. Come on.
Alright folks, so that's it from the mountain today. We got the meat birds moved out onto the lawn. They're going to be out here until processing day. The sling for doing the goat's hooves was installed in both barns. We've got all the goat's hooves trimmed, and I think we're done for the day.
What'd you think about the sling though?
Pretty cool. They have no fight once you lift them up in the air.
Worked great. Usually what we do is we put them up on the milking stand, put a head through there, but they're always fighting. You wind up with getting a horn in the face. And
I've had my lip split from one of them.
This was a lot easier, wasn't it?
Much better.
I recommend the sling.
Absolutely.
Now, if you have them 200-pound goats, maybe not, but with a Nigerian dwarf, it's okay.
It's not bad with 50-pound goat.
Anything else? That's it, huh?
I think that's it for today.
All right, we're gonna go enjoy this nice sunny afternoon. Wash some stinky goat off us.
Yeah, I smell like Benji.
Benji's
It's not a good smell.
Benji stinky. So that's gonna do it, isn't it?
That's gonna do it. All right, so do all that YouTubey stuff. Hit the like, give us a thumbs up, give us some constructive criticism in the comments.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to
Tell
our
everybody
channel.
about us.
Share us. And as always from the mountain, folks, God bless.